Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I made this no bake cupcakes. Yeah, no bake because I didn't actually bake them. Okay, so I was bored during the weekend, so I went to the store and I bought these like already made muffins. Yeah. Okay, and aside that, I bought some frosting as well. So I'm going to be converting this stop up muffins to, like gourmet cupcake ish kind of thing. Anyway, so this was me when I got home. Yeah, so I opened them up and I bought a box for them from another cake store because I wanted to gift them out. I didn't want to eat them all by myself. So what I did basically was I first of all filled them with my caramel frosting. So if you want to see how I made this frosting, it's on my channel. It's my 2 ingredient frosting and I made it without a mixer. So you can always make this without a mixer. So at this point I don't have a mixer, so I have to make do with recipes that do not have a mixer for. That's why I'm not baking cupcakes. But this was kind of fun. So we're going to be filling the cupcakes with this caramel feeling. Yeah, it's also going to be our frosting as well. Okay, so what I did was I took a piping bag and I popped some into it, and then if you saw what I did initially, I already used like a spoon to make a hole in the middle of the cupcakes. And what you want to do is you want to cut the tip of your piping bag really tiny so that you can force the cream inside. The pressure makes it go really down. Yeah, I don't know if that's good English, but anyways, you guys understand me. Okay, so you want to take the cupcakes after filling them and then you want to cover the top in chocolate. I like to do this because I feel like if you don't, your cupcakes might dry out, especially since they're not like freshly baked or anything, and I wanted to give them out. I wanted to elevate them as much as possible. Okay, so it's just regular chocolate that I bought from the store, and then you're going to put it in a plate and pop it in the microwave just to melt, and that's all. And then it's going to like dry on it before you start to pipe your frosting on top. You have to make sure it's dried, otherwise it will get really messy. Okay, so now it is dry. Is dry the word? Okay, it is firm. Yeah, firm. Okay, now your chocolate is firm, so we're going to put our frosting inside our piping bag and then start to pipe. And this frosting pipes so well and it looks so nice. It looks really pretty. I don't know what color. Yeah, it's a caramel color. Yeah, caramel, and it tastes really amazing. So I'm going to leave the link to that video right up here so you guys can look at it, and if you want to see how to do that. It's a 2 ingredient frosting and it is delicious. Okay, so what I did next was to drizzle some chocolate on it, and I had some caramel covered chocolate candy that I'm going to use as toppings for this cupcake for some of them. And so I'm going to put some extra drizzle on top of that, and that's all we have. And it was really delicious. So let me cut it in the middle so you guys can see what it looks like in the middle. It is so pretty and it is so delicious, and I gifted them away to like one of my new friends I met in Ireland. So this is what you have. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. If you enjoyed it, please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will see you in my future tutorials. Bye.